So as of right now, we have heard nothing further from DriveWhip and the situation with the DriveWhip cars on the Uber platform. If you don't know what I'm talking about, here's a link above. You can check out my video on that. It all transpired this week. Went down on the 11th, I believe it was. Anyway, today is March 15th. It is Saturday. Y'all know we got a goal. We have been able to put $1,000 away towards purchasing our own Tesla so we can keep it moving. But as of right now, no, it's $80 to start the day. I do have a reservation request. I think it's at 5 o'clock or something like that. $70 ride going to Fort Lauderdale Airport out of Boca. We're going to take that. Now, Tesla's got some really good deals on their cars. The Model Ys, the one I found, it's like $100 off, plus the $7,500 rebate. Plus, if you use a referral code, which I do not have one, but if you use a referral code, I think it's another $2,500 off that too. So you're talking about saving $1,000 on a car, $14,000, $15,000 off of a car. We're going for it. It's time. The situation with DriveWhip pushing up against us the way it is. Life happens. It sucks. And it's usually when you're not ready is when it's ready. So we're going to go for it. Anyway, y'all know the goal, $300 today. I say this every Saturday, so I'm not going to jinx it. I'm going to say, I don't know if I'll make $300 today. I know y'all are like, Vinny, you're full of shit. Every time you say that, you always do it. But remember, the week before I got sick, yeah, I only did like 270 on that Saturday. And you say, well, that's not a big deal. Yeah, it is. You got goals, man. You're shooting for goals. Now, I know some people don't like goals. They think it's nonsense and it limits you. No, it don't limit you. But once you get that goal, you do start to feel a little more confident, comfortable in your abilities. Even though we know Rideshare, it ain't up to us. All we can do is put ourselves in the right position, hope for the best. Anyway, we're going to get this day started. It is 11:44. I went by the car wash. Car wash is packed. We're going to take it up north. We're going to start our days. As y'all can hear, we are now online. I have on Premier only, I believe. Oh, man, I didn't even have that on. Uber Comfort Electric and Premier. Premier, as my friend Mario Mateo would say. And try to make some money today. We need it. We're trying to buy a car. We need it. All right, so we just got our first ride requested. It's 12:09. I came up to my area where I normally work. It's not the greatest ride in the world, but out here where I'm at on the west side, sometimes you got to go a little bit. It's a 4-mile pickup, 9 minutes to pick up. It's 12 and change. I had $1.25, so it's not really a good ride, not really a... But once I pick them up, it's 18 minutes for the drop-off. 12, 18 times 3. Hey, we're looking at 36 bucks an hour. Depends on how you look at it. Me, I'm just looking at it as it's noon on a Saturday. Ain't a whole lot of surge out here. Let me just try to get a couple rides under my belt, get into the flow and the rhythm of the day, and then we'll start chopping up and choosing a little bit what we want to do. To me, that's always the best idea, unless you're just in a really aggravated mood and don't feel like being bothered. Other than that, 2 trips in right now for $30.25. But what's really cool is that the original reservation I had for 4 o'clock, they canceled. I was like, no! And then they rescheduled for 4:30 and it came back to me to accept. Yeah! And we picked up $2 and change on that, as you can see here. Then, I don't know why I did it, but I accepted a comfort reservation. And I got to thinking about it, and I'm like, shit, man, I got to go from Boynton to FLL, then all the way back to Parkland. No, it wasn't worth it to me. I'd rather keep the $72 and putz around and try to pick up a few short rides. But then, $53 reservation popped up for me from Delray to Coconut Creek, which is going to put me, that's at 2 o'clock. It's going to put me really close to the next destination pickup at 4:30. That's okay. I can putz around there. $53, as you guys can see. So we are doing okay on reservations. If everything pans out there, so what's that? 50 and 70. So 120, 130-ish, plus the 30 already put us about 160. And then we got to chase down another $140, on the edges, before, during, and after. Anyway, we are going to go charge up now. We're at 24%. We're going to try to grab as much as we can. I should be able to get a good charge on the car because I didn't bother to charge yesterday. I came out, I did like 3 rides for $90 or whatever it was. You can still hear it, right? I'm still clogged up. I'm not sick, but I'm still clogged up. This sucks. Let's go charge, man. Let's go spend some money to make some money. You cannot make money if you don't spend money. Whoever told you different, bet you their asses is broke. So I was relaxing, chilling at the charger, and I got, bam, a $25 reservation for 210. We just charged up to 78%. It cost us $14 and change. So that puts us at $95 in expenses right now, and we're at $30.25. So 30 bucks on the earnings, but we got 3 back-to-back Premier reservations. As long as they all hold, we got 25, 55, so that's what, 80, another 72, 152, 153. And if we get tipped out, even better. Like, I'll take that, man. I'll take that. Like, it's been a while since I've gotten them like back to back to back. But I think this is just a theory. I keep telling people not enough cars on the road, and it's all over, right? And especially when you get into some of these, suburbs and stuff like that. And yeah, it might take you 10, 15 minutes to get there. But that's okay, because the payoff is there on the back end. Anyway, not enough drivers. People are reserving cars to make sure their cars are there. Now, is Uber offering some type of discount? If you reserve the ride, we guarantee you a driver at this time, and oh yeah, it'll be X amount % cheaper. I don't know. I'm just theorizing there. But I'm telling you, ain't enough cars on the road, and if you're a driver, you got to take advantage of this because it's feast or famine. That's what it is out here. It's either, what do I say? It's easy for everybody to be a hero when times are good. But when times are bad, legends are born. I'm not saying times are good nor bad. I'm saying, and I damn sure ain't no legend, but I'm damn sure trying to be a hero. So let's go get this money. All right, so we got that ride knocked out. Really cool people. Brings us up to $54.30. But that middle trip, that $53 trip that I was supposed to pick up at 3:05 p.m., canceled within the hour of the reservation, which means according to Uber's policy, I should be paid a cancellation fee. Now, I just sent a text message to support. Why did I not receive the cancellation fee for that ride? And remember, I've got screenshots. So I don't know how that's going to work out. It'd be pretty shitty if Uber cancels that ride or the rider gets away with canceling that scheduled ride within the hour of pickup time, because the only stipulation is that you won't be able to make it in time, which of course I could have made it more than enough time. It's 2:35 and the ride was scheduled for 3:05 and it was right down the street. So anyway, all right, so we dropped off that ride to the airport, 74.17. We are now 5 trips in for $149.70. We have to add $6 into our expenses. So what were we at? 115. What were we at? 95. So we're at 101 on expenses, 149.70 on earnings, gross earnings. We picked up a 6 o'clock $31 reservation. I think I mentioned this, going from Fort Lauderdale Beach to the Hard Rock Casino. I don't see any events there tonight, but that doesn't mean there isn't one. And then we're going to have to go charge again because we've been doing mileage. Right now we're at 88 miles since our last charge. I'm at 34%, and I had charged up to 78%. So we burned through 44% of the battery. That's not good. But that's a lot of mileage. That's what happens with the mileage. I could push for a while, but I'm not going to. I'll top off before I head back north. If we don't get rematched out of the Hard Rock, I'm definitely going to go hit the charger, head back north, because that's only going to put us at like 180. Oh, and I still haven't heard nothing back yet from Uber support about the within the hour reservation cancellation. Remember, that was $53. Like, I should have got something for that. They canceled within the hour, not me. I don't know, man. 300 is going to be tough to get to tonight. All right, quick update. We dropped off at the Hard Rock. We went over and charged for a little bit, about $9 more onto the expenses. So what was that? 101. So what are we at? 110 now on expenses. Picked up another quick little ride. We are now at 212.98 for the day, but here's the problem. I'm out of position. I am completely out of position now for the night shift. Still got to make another $90 to hit the goal. And now look what's happening where I'm at. Okay, looks like we're going to have a big problem here with the traffic. Got people backing up now, trying to go off a different route, and they're going to try to jump the highway, or it's not going to do that. I care about the car. I care about my tires. Other people are going to try it, so God bless them. Let them do what they got to do. It is 7:14 p.m., 1914 from a military personnel, and I don't know, out of position, $90. It's early though, right? It's St. Patty's Day weekend, right? One thing we're noticing tonight, I got Richie Hustles out here on the street. He's in the QX and me. And what we are noticing is we're both working the same area, not on top of each other, obviously. But man, these trips, 9 minutes away, 12 minutes away, 10 minutes away, 15 minutes away. And it's on Premiere also. XL, Premiere, Comfort. Trying to tell y'all, you better get out here and get this money now. Some people would say, I'm not going to go 11 minutes for a 6-minute ride that's going to pay $11. I understand that. But just keep an eye on it. Be aware of it. Because things are starting to turn in our favor, at least for the moment. Y'all know what I mean. They're going to start kicking out. Anyway, just wanted to bring that to you. We're at $246.21. We are still $53 off our goal. I don't know if we're going to make it. It's 9 o'clock. And man, I'm still feeling the effects of the cold or sinus or whatever the hell it was. It just kicked my ass for the second time in 3 weeks. So we got all kinds of surge everywhere. I've been sitting on $8.50 for an hour, right? And now we got $14, $17. It seems like there's demand, but then when you go and you look, and only X and X Priority are busy. Premiere's not busy. I do not have on Comfort for obvious reasons. It's Saturday night and it's 10:41. I'm still stuck at $246.21. I've charged up. It was like $9. So what's that put us at? $119. And this charge will obviously get us through tomorrow. We'll put it on tonight's. I don't know. Like I say, y'all tell me. Y'all busy down there tonight? Let me know in the comments down below, because if I drop down, I'm sure I'll start picking up rides. But do I really want to pick up? I don't want to run the risk. It's St. Patty's Day weekend. If somebody's going to puke in the car, goddammit, it's going to be a Premiere ride with Surge. That's just the way that shit is. Well, at the last minute again, got a big ride. You know, it's St. Patty's Day, it's spring break, it's South Florida. Got a $70 Premiere ride from Boca to Hershey, which is downtown Fort Lauderdale. It's the amateur hour bar scene for the college kids. We'll put it that way, all right? Anyway, it's a good ride. 4 guys, happy birthday, dude. Enjoy it. They had a good time. Turned over the radio to them. Puts us at $322.98 for the night. So again, I didn't think we were going to hit the goal, but we hit the goal. I'm going to leave the app on. I don't have any surge attached right now. I'm going to leave the app on as I cruise home. I need to eat. It is 11:48, 23:48 for my military personnel, because I appreciate you. And if I don't get nothing else, that'll wrap it up tonight. $58 Premiere to Miami Beach. Nope, 50 minutes, don't want it. Yes, I just turned down a $58 Premiere ride because it's going way out of my way, way down south, 50 minutes to where they want. Nope. Spring break, nope, not doing it. Anyway, if nothing else comes up worth taking, see that? I had to correct myself. then that'll be it for the night, and we'll end at 322.98. If something else comes up, I'll throw it on the end, and we'll do it all again tomorrow. So as of right now, though, we need another $177 for tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, y'all. Be safe, be smart. We'll catch you.